Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete all chats in WhatsApp. If you're looking to clean up your chat history or free up some space on your device, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to wipe all your WhatsApp conversations in one go. This method is up to date and works for both Android and iOS devices. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. You'll land on the main screen, which typically shows your recent chats. Now, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen with various WhatsApp settings. Here, you'll want to find and tap on the Chats option. This section contains all the settings related to your WhatsApp conversations. Once you're in the chat settings, scroll down until you see Chat History. Tap on this option to reveal more choices related to managing your chat data. Among these options, you'll find Delete All Chats. This is the key to clearing out all your conversations at once. When you tap on Delete All Chats, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your decision. It's important to note that this action is irreversible, so make sure you really want to delete all your chats before proceeding. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. And there you have it. In just a few taps, you've cleared out all your WhatsApp chats. Your chat list will now be empty, giving you a fresh start. Remember, this process deletes your local chat history, but it doesn't affect your WhatsApp account or remove you from any groups. Thanks for watching our guide on how to delete all chats in WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time.